I'm sure you guys are wondering what the heck is going on right now. Is the market going to crash? Should you be selling so you can buy in at lower or cheaper prices? Well, guys, whatever cryptocurrency it is that you are holding, I'm going to give you the most accurate information about what is happening in the crypto market. So make sure you guys watch this very video unto the end. Smash up the like button to an all-time high if you love cryptocurrencies. And let me know right now in the comments, are you buying this dip or are you selling? If you guys are new to the channel the first time, I put out videos every single day, guys. Make sure you guys subscribe with notifications on so you do not miss these time-sensitive videos about cryptocurrencies. Also, if you want to join the most profitable trading community for cryptocurrencies, join my Patreon right now where I do give you guys daily trade alerts when to buy and sell and also my hidden updates into the crypto market. In addition, if you want to talk to me on the phone, I offer consultations where I can go over your current portfolio and set you up with amazing positions. I'm also giving away $1,000 of Ethereum at the end of this month. All you have to do is like this video, subscribe to the channel, follow my Instagram and Twitter with my links in my video description below, and put Ethereum giveaway in the comments. Also, don't forget to get your 2 free stocks from WEBULL worth up to $2,300. All you have to do is sign up using my link below and deposit $1, and they will send you 2 free stocks worth up to $2,300 that you can buy Shiba Inu, cryptos, or Dogecoin with. Now let's go ahead and dive straight into the content. So what we are seeing, guys, let me go ahead. I'll go to the 4-hour time frame. Every cryptocurrency right now is looking bearish because we are seeing some red, right? We're seeing some red and it is not looking amazing, right? Your account's not going up. It's not looking red. There is blood out in the streets, guys. But let me show you this, okay? So this is a 4-hour time frame and we have seen a significant dip. We'll first start off with Bitcoin. Whenever there's big corrections, we need to be taking a look at Bitcoin because Bitcoin is the biggest cryptocurrency. It moves the slowest. And also when it comes to cryptocurrencies dropping, Bitcoin is the one that drops usually the least because there's so much money in it. Now, Bitcoin from the peak, guys, from the absolute top of the crypto market is down, guys, 15%. It hit a low of 15%, but where we are at right now, guys, we're sitting around a 12% correction. That is really not much at all. But let me show you this. With other cryptocurrencies, we're going to see bigger drops, right? We're going to see bigger drops. But let me show you this. That's the 4-hour time frame. Let me go to the weekly time frame, guys. Look at this. This is the weekly time frame where each and every one of these candlesticks represent a 1-week period. Now, Miles, why are you showing us Bitcoin? We're here for Dogecoin. We're here for Shiba Inu. I will get to them in just a minute, but we need to understand, if you want to know if Dogecoin, if Shiba Inu, or whatever altcoin it is that you're holding, if it's going to go down further, you need to take a look at Bitcoin. What is Bitcoin doing is the question. And Bitcoin right now is still extremely bullish. Even if we go to the daily time frame, guys, look at this. Extremely bullish. We are seeing a little bit of a dip. We are just coming back to the previous support level, guys. This is still totally fine. It's still normal. And I will be getting into in just a minute if cryptocurrencies can drop any further. But before we finish this technical analysis, before I show you how much further we could potentially drop with whatever cryptocurrency you're holding, I'm going to be moving on to these news articles. So what we are seeing, this news article is saying by a bunch of analysts and experts in cryptocurrency, experts in economics and so forth, they are saying that this whole leverage shakeout, where this dip, this crash, whatever you want to call it, because it's not even a crash, is actually almost over. It's almost over. So what's actually happening is there's a lot of over leveraged people. Sometimes when the market gets really high, there's a lot of very bullish people and they go leverage, they leverage 100x, 50x on Bitcoin and Ethereum and other cryptocurrencies. And that causes the market to be frothy. It causes people to be over leveraged, which means it also can cause a lot of volatility. So yes, we are seeing a lot of volatility, but a lot of that volatility is being cleared up right now. All the people that were leveraging and going crazy and just betting like crazy, these people are being shaken out of the market and the longs are getting wrecked. Yes, the people who are longing, which means they're going on leverage, 50x Bitcoin, they are getting wrecked. They are losing money. So what happens is eventually all of the people going long at those very highest prices, they get shaken out, they get liquidated, and it kind of evens out the market and it allows normal momentum of the price of cryptocurrencies to start flowing, which is very, very good. So when leverage brings us down to a particular level, it also shows us that we are near a bottom. So guys, I think that we are very close to the bottom, as these experts are also saying. In addition to that, it says $400 billion cryptocurrency has been wiped away. And this is why it goes into talking about Joe Biden. It goes into talking about China, which we talked about in my video this morning. If you guys should definitely watch it. It gives us the reason why cryptocurrencies dropped, why they were crashing and so forth. And they weren't even crashing, but also that a spot Bitcoin ETF will most likely be hitting the stock market this week. If a Bitcoin ETF, a spot ETF hits the market this week, I believe that will surely bounce the market up here like crazy. So in addition to this, these people are saying, will cryptos recover? Yes, a lot of experts are saying that it's highly likely that cryptocurrencies are going to be recovering and that they are showing signs of recovery right now. So remember, I have been showing you on this channel that there's Bitcoin supply shortages for Bitcoin and for Ethereum and other cryptocurrencies. The supply shortage is still happening. The buyers are still buying Bitcoin. They're buying Ethereum. They're buying these altcoins and putting them away in cold storage to hold them long term, which means that the market is very, very bullish. But let me get back into the charts. So Bitcoin right now is holding up $60,000 level. And for Bitcoin, what could potentially happen, guys, is if we go into the 4-hour time frame, we can see what is next. We could definitely be heading to 57,000. 57,000 would be the next bottom for Bitcoin. If Bitcoin doesn't hold up 57,000, we'd be looking at 54,000, and then we'd have other levels, potentially 52 to 50,000 and so forth. So those would be potential levels where, yes, Bitcoin could go down, guys. Bitcoin can continue to go down. Not only Bitcoin, but Ethereum can continue to go down. Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, Solana, a lot of these cryptocurrencies, yes, can continue to go down. But if you actually zoom out, as we are seeing right now, look at this. This is Solana, one of our favorite cryptocurrencies. It's still holding up a strong level of support. It hasn't even come down to that previous level of support, which was a resistance level. Guys, this thing is still very bullish. Look at this. If we go to a weekly time frame, it's pretty much going parabolic, guys. This is Solana right here. If you take a look at a daily time frame, it's still very, very bullish. A little bit of a pullback, guys. Nothing to worry about. Miles, why are you showing us Solana? I'm just showing you random cryptocurrencies and how bullish they still are. If you are so zoomed into the price, we're looking at the 20-minute time frame, you're looking at the 30-minute time frame, and all you are seeing, guys, is red. You need to zoom out. Stop looking at these 1-minute time frames. Stop looking at these really small time frames and look at where we just came from. The crypto market has been pumping week after week after week. And guys, a little bit of red is no time to panic, but a time to get greedy, a time to be buying these dips. But remember, none of this is financial advice. It's just my own opinion. But now let me get into the price of Dogecoin. Yes, let me get into the price of Dogecoin. If we actually zoom in with this weekly time frame, even for Dogecoin, guys, what we are seeing is very, very bullish. We are still making higher lows, which is a very good sign. And I believe because of this pattern right here, guys, a bullish flag, or what we are seeing, is a bit of a symmetrical triangle. This symmetrical triangle, guys, is nearly about to break out. We are nearly clearing this apex here very, very soon. Guys, when we get to here in about 3 or 4 weeks, it could be a lot faster. I'm thinking it could be like 2 weeks. Dogecoin is potentially about to have a massive breakout, even despite you're seeing red today, guys. Yes, guys, even after a red day, cryptocurrencies can go up. Can you imagine that? Can you imagine that? But remember, there can be no green days without red days, and there can no be red days without green days. They need each other. And when things go down, guys, when they crash, when they bottom out, whatever you want to call it, it's good for the market because it brings buyers in and it allows people to buy in at cheaper prices, which can effectually in time push up the prices like crazy. So do not lose your sights on that. But let me show you also Shiba Inu. The weekly time frame is very bullish. And even right now, Shiba Inu is up almost 2%, guys. Shiba Inu is looking very, very, very bullish. Guys, this thing is also forming a bullish flag or a symmetrical triangle just like Bitcoin. Would you imagine that? Would you imagine it's almost forming? Well, actually, we are seeing a descending triangle, which is even more bullish than the latter. So Shiba Inu right now is forming this amazing pattern, which we are also in the even in the 4-hour time frame, guys, getting close to this apex. So what we could potentially be seeing here is that by the 18th, which is 2 days of November, we could potentially maybe get a bottom bounce off of this lower level of support, potentially bounce up out of this pattern. But we are right now for Shiba Inu approaching this apex, guys, and it is about to get crazy. Shiba Inu and Dogecoin have been kind of trading sideways. They've been down the last couple of weeks, but they have been sold. They are oversold and about to take off, in my opinion. What do you guys think about that? Let me know if you guys agree with that. Let me know by giving me a thumbs up if you appreciate this content. But Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, I believe, are personally about to set up and make some crazy moves. Ethereum, look at this, such cheap prices. $4,200, guys. This is a steal. If you are not buying these things up right now, guys, if you are fearful and going crazy, I don't know what to tell you, because these things are looking extremely, extremely bullish, in my opinion. Avalanche continuing to be green even when the market is crashing. We bought Avalanche weeks ago in the Patreon, and now the Patreon is making us lots of money, even when things are bearish, guys. Even when things are bearish. Look at Mana. Mana is taking off, up almost 10%, guys. This thing is absolutely looking amazing. Congratulations to the Patreon members. And if you guys like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up, blow up the comment section, and I will see you all later.